Meaning of gondola.
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 Gondola. A gondola is a type of long, narrow boat that is traditionally used in Venice, Italy. It is propelled by an oar or a punt pole and historically was used as a primary means of transportation around the city's many canals. Today, gondolas are primarily used for tourism purposes and are often manned by licensed gondoliers who sing traditional Venetian songs to their passengers. The boats are typically sleek and black, with ornate decor and a curved prow. They serve as an iconic symbol of the city and its unique culture, attracting tourists from all over the world.